morning. My name is Abdus. Hayden is present today with me. We are going to discuss about whether a group of people can be considered technical or non-technical. So my first question to Hayden, what does it mean to be technical to you?
Well, being technical entails a lot of things. It's not just about having the surface level knowledge, it's about understanding the hows and whys of your entire field. It's about comprehending complex systems that other people have set up, but then being able to expand on these systems in ways other technical people can also work with. It's a combination of the skills to do what you need to do and the communication skills to explain why and how you're completing your task. Like, let's say you're building an engine for a car, you'd want to be able to create the engine efficiently, but you'd also want to be able to explain to others how it works so that they can work on it in the future. So how do you measure how technical a person is?
Well, for measuring a person's technical skills, two things should be considered, like the skill set of other person, experience in using technology, awareness of the IT tools and the software. In our survey, we asked a few questions to determine if a group of people is technical or not. We decided if their score is greater than 50, then they should consider technical people. As you see here, we targeted students from 5 areas. Our survey shows all the groups have technical skills. However, students from skilled trades are the most technical with an accuracy rate 74%. Now, my second question to Hayden, do you think one needs to be technical to be successful in the healthcare career?
Well, health has always been on the cutting edge of science and technology. It's really one of the major things that drives our innovation. People who want to get into this field do need to be somewhat technical in order to understand the existing processes and practices that they've learned, and when to apply them in dynamic situations like a real hospital. Those who wish to drive innovation, however, need to be very technical. With how digitized and complicated modern medicine is, doctors and engineers need to very thoroughly understand how their processes work and then how to explain these things to others. Then, these processes can be built upon by other technical people, and this is how innovation grows. So who do you think is more technical? Business students or community services students?
I think business students are more technical versus community services students. Technology has important effects on business operations. No matter the size of your enterprise, technology has both tangible and intangible benefits that will help you make money and produce the results your customers demand. Technological infrastructure affects the culture, efficiency, and relationships of a business. There are several reasons why technology and the skills associated with it are essential to keep businesses up and running. Business people are using high-tech equipment for faster workflow and production processes. They are using a modern technology for generating a vast amount of data, and being able to interpret this data is a remarkable skill. Now the final question to Hayden. Our survey shows skilled trades students are most technical. Do you agree with this survey result? Why or why not?
The survey results make sense to me. Skilled traders like plumbers, like electricians, they need to be very good at their trade because it's not something that's ever going to go away. It's a constantly evolving field where they work on and complete work for people who are always going to need that service. Something like community arts, however, art is far more subjective, a lot less actual knowledge in it. It's more about just talent and skill. So it isn't quite as technical, it's more along the lines of just talent. So the survey results do make sense. I would imagine skilled traders to be far more technical than art students, considering the requirements for the actual position.
Thanks Hayden, and thanks everyone for watching this. Bye bye.